What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Malcolm, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your first YouTube channel, even if you have no experience and even if you're not very tech savvy, because let's face it, not a lot of people are. Let's do it. Welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Malcolm, and I'm really excited to have you. This channel is all about helping you, inspiring you, motivating you to get on the path to earning money online and also growing your online presence. And if that is something that is interesting to you, I would love it if you would hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss the next video. Now, let's get into it. I'm gonna walk you through a proper way of setting up your YouTube channel, and by the end of this video, you will have a YouTube channel that you will be proud to share with your friends and your family. Now, I'm not gonna assume that everybody has a Gmail because some people still rocking that old AOL email. Come on, be honest, I know you got that old AOL.com email. Well, in order to get a YouTube account, you need a Gmail account. So let's go ahead and create one for you right now if you don't have one. Alrighty, so for the Gmail account, you're going to want to go to Google and you're going to want to type in Gmail. You're going to click on this link here, which will take you to this page. You're going to click on Create an Account, which will take you to this page. And I've already taken the liberty of filling out some of the fields here. We have Joe Doughmaster. The email is joegatsthedough@gmail.com, and I'm gonna go ahead and enter create a password. Correct. You're gonna want to enter a recovery number. It's optional, you don't really have to. You can also do a recovery email address, that's also optional. That's just basically where if you have to recover your account or if you forget your password, Gmail will send a link to that other email and you can actually go in and reset your password from that email. You're gonna enter your birth date. Hopefully you're 18 and over, and your gender. Oops. And then you just keep going. You accept the terms. Takes a couple seconds. All right. And once your Gmail account has been successful, you will be taken to Gmail. Alrighty, your Gmail account is created. Awesome. So now let's head on over to YouTube. On YouTube, there is something called a branded account. You may not have to worry about what that is right now, but I'll still tell you. A branded account is basically an account that oversees a bunch of other accounts. So let's say you have multiple channels that you want to create. Well, creating a branded account will allow you to have multiple channels that can be different, totally unrelated to each other, under one account. That is what you want to do if that is your goal. But today we're not going to focus on a brand account, we're just going to focus on creating one account, your account. Alright, so now we are over on YouTube. You can check it out, this is YouTube. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and sign in with the Google account that we created. Joe Gats the Dough. Oops. Alright, so now they're saying you can protect your account. You can totally do this right now or you can do it later. You don't have to worry about this right now. We're gonna keep going. Alright, so now we are supposedly signed into YouTube. Sometimes you have to press that sign in button again. Alright, so you'll know that you're signed in when you could see your first letter of your name up here, or either an icon picture. If you uploaded a profile picture, you'll see a picture up here. So you basically want to click here, and then you're gonna see where it says create a channel. Click create a channel, and it says get started. So you can use your name, or you can use a custom name. Here it says create a channel using a brand or an other name or picture. In this case, we're just gonna go ahead with our name. And congratulations, your channel Joe Doughmaster has been created. Next, it says follow the steps to complete your channel. You can always do these later. You don't have to do these right now, but you can upload a picture if you want to kind of get rid of the little initial that's there. Here you're gonna add a description, and down here you would add any links to your website. These would basically show up on your channel page. So I'll take you to that. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this, but I will take you to the other parts. All right, so now we're on the channel page. So once you have created your channel, this is what your page is going to look like. So here it says customize channel, which is where you can organize your page, update, and add a channel banner and more. So we're gonna click on that. All right, so when someone actually visits your page, this is what they're gonna see. They're gonna see any videos that you have uploaded here. Your YouTube channel trailer would be here, and they just click on videos, playlists, channels. These are mostly like channels that you follow or you subscribe to. And there's discussion if you have discussion going on, but then the about section here. So we're just gonna go, I'm gonna kind of just walk you through like each of these sections. All right, so as aforementioned, home is where you will show any recent uploads. Video tab would basically show all of your uploads. You can organize them from the newest to the oldest, from most popular. You could even choose how they show up, grid or list. Playlists, when you have videos, you can create a playlist. You don't even have to have videos up to create a playlist. You can just create a playlist and it'll already be there, so that when you do upload videos, you can throw them right into that playlist that you created. Here again is the about tab. So when people come to your channel and they want to read about your channel, they're going to come to this tab known as the about tab. Here you'll have a channel description, which you can totally add by saying this channel is about making you feel awesome and that you can conquer anything. Say done. Now this is your channel description. You can of course be as in-depth as you want. There is no limit, but this just gives you an idea of what it will look like to someone who comes to view your channel. And if you have an email you want people to contact you through, you can just enter the email here. For ours, it is Joe Gots the Dough. Keep doing that at gmail.com. And you could even put like your location. So, you know, we're in the United States here. So, and you just say done. Now, usually when people come to your page, this business email is hidden. So they have to click a button that will show the email. And here, again, you can add links. So these links will show up here. So, actually I keep doing it that way. It's like really weird. Joe gets the done when you say done. And now you'll have a Twitter link up here. So every time you add a link, it'll show up here, and when someone visits your page, they can click on it. When you add channel art, you click here to add channel art, and if you have any images stored in your Google account, they will show up here. You can also upload images from your computer, other pictures if you have any. You do want to get a certain resolution for your YouTube channel picture, because any picture, just getting any picture won't do. You'll want to have a certain picture that fits a certain dimension and size. And as I said before, you can update your profile picture at any time. You don't have to update it in the first pages of creating your account. You can always update it later. And it'll take you to this page, which is your Google account page, and you just basically add a profile picture. It could be anything, but I would make sure that it's kind of related to, it could be a picture of you or something related to what your channel is about. And there you have it. Your YouTube channel is created. Congratulations. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave a comment down below if this was easy for you or if this was difficult for you. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down there as well. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And hey, while you're at it, go ahead and share it with your friends. Someone else might need this video. Also, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so that you don't miss the next video. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.